All right, I'm Gabe Lenners. Let's take a look at that evening forecast. Right now, those temperatures have come down throughout the area. Low to mid 50s, depending on where you're at. Santa Maria, 56 for you. Gaviota, 57 as well. All of this cool weather is because of these onshore winds we have. Big weather story we're watching. We have an area of low pressure which is kind of skirting to the north. That's helping really ramp up the winds and bring down those temperatures. We will see a return to sunshine by Tuesday, though. I know we had some low clouds to start out the day today. Will be a tad cooler tomorrow. Those gusty winds are going to continue. Then on Wednesday, the winds will gradually become lighter depending on where you're at. Slightly warmer, and those winds will be ramping up a little bit more towards evening in the higher elevations. And then on Thursday, a gradual warming trend begins. Not a big warming trend, just a couple degrees. It's going to take a few days before things start to warm up again. We could still see a few gusty winds depending on where you're at, and then a cool down a few degrees this weekend, but then more of a warm up as we get throughout the first part of next week. Here's a look at those wind advisories. High wind warning in effect, Santa Ynez Mountains and Santa Barbara County, southwest coast. Those winds will be sustained 25 to 40 miles an hour with gusts all the way up to 60. So keep both hands on the steering wheel if you're going to be traveling out and about in those higher elevations. We do have high surf as well. The ocean's going to be choppy. We could see large breaking waves, 10 to 12 feet. Dangerous rip currents are going to be possible. So just be aware if you are out and about near the coast until 5 p.m. on Tuesday. Taking a deep dive here, Santa Barbara South Coast, Montecito 69 for the high, Santa Barbara 72, Summerlin 68. Up towards the Santa Ynez Valley, we're going to see those temperatures in the low to mid 60s. Will be sunny out there. Gusty winds possible, though, in the afternoon, depending on where you're at. Over towards the ocean, it's going to be cooling off a bit. Low 60s, I'm thinking. Sunny skies out there. Lompoc coming in at 62. Up towards San Luis Obispo, we'll also have a cool start to your Tuesday. Those pockets of gusty winds will definitely be prevalent depending on where you're at. Low to mid 60s for highs. And then down in Ventura County, more of the same. We're going to see breezy conditions. That sun will be back, though, but it will be rather mild depending on where you're at. Upper 60s, Camarillo 67 for the high. 7-day forecast, San Luis Obispo. We're going to see that high right around 64 degrees, 68 on Thursday. Warming up Friday, a couple degrees, falling back down on Saturday, and then a warm up in store for the first part of next week. Santa Ynez 67 for the high, 70 by Thursday. Saturday and Sunday, low 70s, warming up those Sunday and Monday. And then in Ventura, we're going to see that temperature hovering right around 64 degrees. Plenty of sunshine on Tuesday. Little change until Friday, warming up just a couple degrees, cooling down on Saturday, and then a gradual warm up for the first part of next week. You're up to date with your latest forecast.